What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're gonna walk out in the garage here, and we got the Duramax in the garage, and I don't know if you guys have seen on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll link it down below, right over here probably. And I picked up this 6.2 all aluminum, came out of a truck, and yeah, it's not too shabby. I took the manifolds off it and got everything taped up, but I'm dying to know what went wrong with it, if it was a lifter failure, because I believe it was a DOD engine and now it's deleted, supposedly, and we're gonna see what's going on with it. We got the fan here just kind of blowing some air. I'll probably shut that off as I begin to film, but we took the manifolds off of it, and the reason why I bought it was a smoking deal, and it came with coil packs, and I'm going to need coil packs for the Trans Am, so that's why we got it. And Wes, what do you think?
Oh, dude, did you see this crack right here?
Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't even tell me that. Now, I got this on the cheap, and as you guys can see, it's pretty sloppy. What I'm gonna do is I'll probably clean it up and put pistons and rods in it. It already does have factory pistons and rods, but we're gonna go with something a little bit aftermarket. So the game plan for today is take the top end of the engine off and only use some bullshit Milwaukee tools. I say bullshit because they're not really enough to get the job done.
Oh, it's plenty enough.
I mean, we need some high-powered air tools, but we got a couple hand tools, and we're gonna see how far we can go.
We're pretty much a machine shop in the garage right
Yeah, this is what we got so far. I mean, we're set up, and we got a fan. How hot is it already?
About 482 degrees.
Yeah, I'd say that's accurate. So the plan is, I mean, I needed lifters, I needed a lot of stuff, so this is gonna come in handy. Like the Cow's engine, I'm going to do a trunnion upgrade to this because it's definitely worth it. I think that if you do anything, you should always put a trunnion upgrade in there. I'm excited. I was really excited to get this because I needed another engine. You can never have enough engine. Hopefully it's not too messy because we're doing it right here in the bed of the truck. I don't have an engine hoist, I don't have an engine stand, so we're just gonna take the top end off here and hope it doesn't puke coolant everywhere, because honestly, I don't have, I think I got like half a can of brake clean left. So we will use that box there to throw all of our stuff in.
Oh man, I'm gonna wipe my head on this.
Oh, ooh, 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 ooh.
Can we do the same to this side?
Yes.
Or are we keeping the, just leaving them in?
Do you really put gloves on?
Nice and dirty.
Oh. These are torqued down tight. Oh, God dang, these are on there tight. Duh. I don't know, I want to know who put these in there last. So, being that we're doing a trunnion upgrade, we won't need these, but I will save these. There you are, sir.
That's a good one right there.
Set that guy right in there. Some stock POS push rods.
Good night.
Stock valve springs, they'll come off. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these heads yet. These heads might get scrapped, they might not, I'm not really sure. There you go, Bo. Even those gloves. I need to put the guy from Dragon Ball Z in there.
I'm just scared this damn engine's gonna fall off the stand and hit my toe.
What stand? We're on a makeshift crate here.
I'm not trying to like let it slip and then just like punch the block with my fist either.
I hear you, Bo. I hear you.
Kids at home, always wear open-toe shoes when taking apart an engine.
Oh, that one must be up. Okay,
Oh, no.
all right, all right.
Stay in there, stay in there.
All right, and then just set it in there just like that. And we are ready to rock. We'll get a trunnion upgrade on those rockers. And now we have, take all your push rods out next. You can just throw them in there. Those will be scrapped. We're definitely gonna go to some 3/8.
You told me these aren't good?
Nope, we're gonna go to some 3/8 chromoly push rods because those are junk. So we are flying through this. Next part, I'm pretty pissed. I just taped this all up. We need to get to this because the heads are there. And we can take off the valley cover, really, for no reason whatsoever. If you hand me that little impact. Just
What was that, 13?
Yeah. Everyone's gonna be like, dude, don't use an impact.
As long as you don't tighten it with it, it's fine.
Oh God, she's on there. Thought I got those all the way out. I was wrong. Everyone's gonna be bitching that we're using the damn silver
Would you
things.
like a crowbar?
The silver things with the impact, but it's alright.
What?
You're not supposed to use these sockets with them.
Why?
Because they could break.
The sockets, man?
Yeah. Take off the coolant crossover. Throw that guy in there. And then we got some head bolts. It's got like the little seals in the back.
There you go.
And because these heads don't have the little block off, you need to put this there.
That work?
That works.
Just peel some up and cap that.
Need a new O-ring on that. Yep, those are not plugged up. Need a new O-ring on that as well. We look in here. Oh, and she's gross. And there's the camshaft. So you see, get a couple quick peeks of the camshaft there. This thing is, yeah, we can't take the front cover off. We can't completely disassemble this. Can't take the front cover off because I have nothing to pull the balancer off. So we're just gonna hack away at what we can. No point of really taking the rear cover off. So next is the heads. I'm pretty pissed. I just taped this up yesterday because I was just gonna leave it on, but I got bored today. So you gotta pull that off the top and bottom. You don't really need to pull the bottom off it, but the heads will be off, so just pull it off anyways.
Heave ho! God, this thing is so hot from sitting out in the sun.
All right, let's get that side started.
God, that one's not coming out easy. That one's like cross thread or something. To get what, the ones on the inside right here? They're
Close. Oh. It's not a happy camper there.
What are you, how are you doing bottoms?
Yep.
Have you already loosened?
Yep. So I'm not going to use these bolts because we're going to use some ARP hardware. So just get all these bolts out of here.
Stupid dipstick.
You can just pull that out. Pull it straight out. All right, and oh, I'm glad that I pulled. Oh God, there it is. Holy shit!
What?
That thing is absolutely fucked.
Where at? Oh, I can't see it. Oh man.
Yikes! That piston is broken in half. I wonder somewhere. Oh God, it's all part. Oh my God.
It's shattered. It's not like a.
Them wrist pins sitting in the oil pan.
That's fine.
Wow! Wow! That is why I got this engine for so cheap. I'm glad I got it because there's like coolant or water in the piston, so I'm glad I didn't wait, get this stuff cleaned up and blocked up. But holy shit! That is rowdy. Oh my God! Why did that break a piston?
Because it's an LS.
Holy shit! All right, I guess we will. Let's see. Let's pull the lifters out of it and see what's going on with them. If that had anything to do with it. Holy shit!
Stupid question.
Oh, here's the lifter that was in the piston that was shot. There's metal on it. The lifter looks like it's in alright shape. Lifter's not really that tough. Whew, man, that is rowdy. That sucks. Holy shit. What the hell? If there's another broken piston, this thing was just doomed. Just lift up that way a little bit with it.
Like,
yeah, just to break it off. Pull straight up and... Oh, here we go. What are we looking like? Just some water in there? All right, all right.
Not bad on this side.
No. Man, the other piston
Where'd
is
you put your side
absolutely
under?
toast. Man, that thing is effed up. I mean, there's the cylinder wall. Oh, God, that's a gash right there, yeah. Right there's a big gash.
Is it bad?
Yikes. Yikes.
Can I get that 10 from you?
All this stuff will get thrown out. Got a little bit of a leakage in the truck, but nothing really too bad. So we are definitely going to keep this piston. Everything else for the rest of this piston is in the, I mean, dude, the whole skirt of the piston is gone. It was in there sideways. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, now you guys can definitely see where that piston, where that cylinder's scarred up. God, there's the rest of the piston, everything's sitting down there in the bottom, just being held up by the windage tray. Not going to try to turn it over or anything. Whew. That is pretty rowdy. Another little scarring right there, but yeah, I mean, we got this thing tore down in like 10 minutes. That took top end off of it. There's just metal everywhere, so hopefully this block is salvageable. It's definitely going to need to be bored out, and then we'll have to order a piston according to that, because we want the cylinder walls to be nice and smooth. But whew, pretty gnarly. All right, so this is the cylinder here, sorry, the cylinder head, and as you can see, some stuff got in contact with the cylinder head. This one's pretty tore up, so this will be added to the collection here. So now I have 3 sets of cylinder heads. This is an 823. My LS3 heads are over there. They're an 821, and then I got 799 heads over there. My LS3 heads are kind of melted, but they're definitely in better shape than this guy. This thing here is not happy. What do you think?
Is it salvageable at all?
I gotta see. Hopefully Texas Speed or someone can re-sleeve that block, or at least that cylinder. Whether I re-sleeve all of them, I'm not really sure, but I mean, all aluminum block. It's the same block as an LS3. It came out of a 08 Denali. We were gonna clean up my truck. It really didn't get that dirty. There was nothing. The block was dry. There was only some water that got in there. So now we'll put a bag over this and get it all sealed up and ready to complete the disassembly.
God,
so
I bet that sounded gnarly.
Oh God, that thing
was probably so loud. Muffin cap peeled.
Yeah, that is the muffin cap peeled right there. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.